What's up, guys? So today I will be looking about garlic buttered shrimp. So I've got all my seasonings. Yeah, I got all my seasonings. Yeah, so I'm gonna be seasoning up my shrimp right now, so I'll get back to you guys in a few.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like
Give it to me like you and me, hey, it's what you need, hey. I got it.
Alright, so this is my shrimp washed in lime juice and garlic and water. So just put it first, so look and I wash it here and then I season it. Alright, so the shrimp has been seasoned up. Yes, season gets right into it. Y'all see that? I wish y'all could smell it right now. Like, it smells so amazing. Oh my god, look at the seasoning. Right, true. Alright, so these are gonna be minced to put in the pot when I'm cooking the shrimp. Look at that.
a few moments later. 2 hours later. "2,000 years later."
Alright, so we have here garlic buttered shrimp in coconut milk with mashed potatoes and sweet corn.